Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. And in this particular video, we are just going to break down exactly how to open a crypto trading account. All right. And this is the very first step if you want to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. And getting it right from the beginning is important for your safety and success in the market. All right. So let us start with the basics. A crypto trading account is similar to a bank account, right? But instead of holding traditional money, it lets you access digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. So you will need these accounts to place trades, to deposit funds and withdraw your earnings back into your local currency when needed. Step one is choosing a reliable exchange. All right, there are different exchanges out there. So it's left for you to decide what exchange that you want to use. Okay, it's left for you to decide the particular exchange that you want to use. Okay, whether you want to use Binance or Bybit or Coinbase, or Kraken, Wix, OKX, BitGet, and the rest of them, right? So not all exchanges are created equal. So you want to make sure you are selecting a platform that is trustworthy, that has good security features, and offers the cryptocurrencies that you are interested in. Okay, look for exchanges with strong regulations, regulatory compliance, and good user reviews. Okay, popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and others. But your choice may depend on your location. All right. Step two is registering your account. Now, on most exchanges, this begins by providing your email address. All right. Creating a strong password and confirming your email. So this step is usually quick, but forms the foundation of your crypto trading account. All right. So I think I'm just going to be using Binance as our example in this particular video. Okay. So if you don't have an account, of course, you select the particular crypto exchange you want to use. You must not necessarily use Binance, okay? But I'm just using Binance as an example. So you go to sign up, of course, whether you want to go through this zone or you want to go through this zone. You put in your email address. Of course, just follow the due process. All right? You follow the due process. You write in your email, you tick the box, and then you continue. All right. Or if you want to sign up with your Google account or with your Apple account or with Telegram, whatever option that you want to make use of, okay, you feel free to sign up. Okay. Now, after you must have already signed up, because this is a centralized exchange, right? You have to go through identity verification. Okay. Also known as KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. So most exchanges require you to upload documents, such as a government issued ID or a utility bill to confirm your identity, right? So this process may feel like an extra step, but it is there to increase security and protect against fraud. Once your identity is verified, you'll have full access to your crypto trading account. So after you must have successfully um, gone through the process of the KYC, you know, most exchanges will require you to upload your documents such as government issued ID or utility bill to confirm your identity. The process may feel like extra step, but it's there to increase security and protect you against fraud, right? The fourth step is going to be your security setup, which is one of the most important parts of the process. Okay, after opening your crypto trading account, make sure you enable two-factor authentication. All right. This usually involves linking your account to an authentication app on your phone. It adds an extra layer of security because even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to log in without your code. So always create strong, unique passwords and avoid using the same password across different platforms. Now, step 5 is now going to be funding your account. All right, depending on your exchange, you may be able to deposit money using a bank transfer or a debit card or even other cryptocurrencies, right? So you can see here, you can decide to buy with USD via bank transfer or card, or any other option available. Here you can use P2P trading. You can buy directly from users, competitive pricing, local payments, or you can just deposit crypto to your Binance account. All right. So depending on the exchange, you can use whatever deposit method that is available. Once your funds are in, your account is ready to start trading. This is where you'll be able to buy, sell, and explore the market. All right. Finally, let's talk about staying safe. Opening a crypto trading account is simple, okay? But keeping it secure is an ongoing responsibility. Watch out for phishing emails pretending to be from your exchange. Never share your login details and always double check the website URL before logging in. Remember, in crypto, your security is in your hands, right? By following these steps, you'll be able, or you'll be ready to open a crypto trading account confidently. You will understand the importance of choosing the right exchange, verifying your identity, setting up security measures, and funding your account safely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto and forex trading tutorials. See you in the next video.